Today, the web is a definitive world north of, a mammoth trade of information happens on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Be that as it may, in the event that the source isn't real or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a disaster. Here, the total information for WebPC value expectation will be accessible. Understanding the meaning of an organization that could be completely trusted for security and capacity. The WebPC was created by Tfinity Establishment, a non-benefit situated in Zurich, Switzerland, as the world's first blockchain advances that run at web speed and serve content the web with unbounded limit. As a utility token, WebPC ICP permits clients to partake in and oversee the WebPC blockchain network. The level headed behind the WebPC convention is to assist designers with making sites, venture at frameworks, internet providers, and DeFi applications by introducing their code straightforwardly on the public web. WebPC ICP. The vision: as an open-source, public cryptographic money, WebPC is a computerized guide made with the essential target of blockchain-established information capacity and recovery. This beginning of the WebPC intends to make the existences of brokers, financial backers, and foundations simple by permitting them the office of exchanging on numerous trades and helping them from cost accelerations. It is situated across North America, Europe, and Asia. Using the web space is a worldview for the capability of the WebPC. Today, if you need to construct new internet providers, you will frequently have to integrate client information, client connections, or usefulness contained. The WebPC gives a way to make administrations of the web in an absolutely new manner, utilizing independent programming on information handling as well as data on the accessibility of the APIs they give to different administrations that wish to consolidate the information or usefulness they share is granted. At last, this will empower business visionaries and networks of designers to make another type of administration that advantages from better organization impacts for a more splendid tomorrow. Building administrations cooperatively add to an undeniably more different, dynamic, rich, and at last prevailing environment, and plays a nodal job in decentralizing the influence of the web. We anticipate the future cost in view of our cost examination for a wide determination of computerized coins like WebPC. In the event that you search for virtual monetary standards with great returns, ICP can be a terrible, high-risk venture choice. WebPC value equivalent to $4.02. However, your ongoing speculation might be downgraded in the future, according to our WebPC gauge. In light of our WebPC cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. WebPC ICP's cost could transcend $5.11 before the current year is over. The WebPC ICP cost estimate for 2026 is around $18.42, and that implies it will be a productive venture guidance. As per ICP cost forecast, WebPC, ICP, have shown a negative pattern in the beyond couple of days. On the off chance that the ongoing cost pattern proceeds, ICP could exchange close $6.31 in 2023. Our drawn-out PC ICP cost expectation for 2027 shows a most extreme worth of $20.73. In 2022, the cost of ICP had just fallen and had lost the greater part of its worth. It had a cost of around $48 before all else, yet is at present exchanging at a markdown of $4.02. The ongoing business sector cap of the coin is $1,123,002,018, with 24H exchanging volume of $34,663,069 and a flowing inventory of $279,195,683 ICP. On the off chance that we analyze the ongoing cost and the ATH of ICP, the cost has fallen by 99.46%, as the ATH of the coin is $750.73. The last year has been truly poor for the digital money market, and most tokens, including ICP, will require an incredible push even to exchange close to their ATH costs. The ongoing opposition level of WebPC is the $6 mark. The obstruction level and backing level might fluctuate as per the cost change. At present, the WebPC ICP cost solidified around the $5 mark with an expanded exchanging volume. How about we see our future WebPC expectation for the impending years? The slow yet consistent and forward movement in the WebPC value gauge might not have won at the highest digital money grant. However, brilliant financial backers have figured out how to pause and purchase WebPC digital money to perform and make all the difference for trade in light of ordinary conjectures posted on the cryptographic money market. through coin cost expectation graph. WebPC value expectation 2023. The most extreme cost of ICP might be around $5.5, according to our WebPC estimate and expectation 2023. A quick, solid WebPC organization can help WebPC coins gain a lot greater cost. On the off chance that the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost of the WebPC will try and see a worldview rush. WebPC value expectation 2024. Many expectations are proceeding for WebPC, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the organization has planned. There are figures that the ICP crypto value expectation could mirror a bullish pattern and cross $11. In the principal half of 2024, the cost could reach $7.21. The blessing done by significantly security and versatility highlights with energizing special endeavors might expand WebPC costs by that much in a short measure of time. WebPC value expectation 2025 would check a colossal cost rise. WebPC's project drive zeroing in on various training efforts and advancements might take them to a calculable degree of $13.13. According to our estimates, the WebPC ICP cost could arrive at a greatest value level of $15. In view of our cost expectations, dealers ought to think about putting resources into this venture to acquire impressive benefits in the long haul. WebPC value forecast 2026. In the event that all markets turn ideal, the ICP's cost is set to break all boundaries and perform extravagantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. As per our WebPC cost expectation 2026, we anticipate that the future WebPC cost may effortlessly contact its next opposition level of $20 before the year's over 2026. WebPC value expectations 2027. There are incredible expectations the crypto local area holds for the WebPC ICP. It is doubtlessly an ideal apparatus for designers and specialists, producing all the more such decentralized applications, taking the cost to $22 in 2027. WebPC is set to hurry up with other digital currencies to make financial backers trust ICP and its exhibition sooner rather than later, according to our WebPC coin conjecture. For both present moment and long haul, there are cost focuses on that can be accomplished with legitimate preparation and speculation. WebPC value expectations 2028. In light of our ICP cost expectation, the symbolic will have least and most extreme costs of $22 and $25 for the year 2028. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token might be around $23.5. Contributing at the ongoing worth will give extraordinary revisitations of the financial backers. WebPC value expectations 2029. According to the specialized examination and expectations, the coin will have a typical worth of $30 for the whole